A question and answer today. So, got a question from a client. What can you do with 35,000? And we'll just break that down quickly. So, 35,000, it's just a bit of consideration on this particular client. So, it's not a first time buyer, so it's got a property currently. So, he'll be buying the property as a second home investment purpose. So, that's the question. What can you do with 35,000? Because sometimes people think, I need 100,000, I need a lot more money to do what I need to do. So, being a client I know already, so it's based in Birmingham. So I would focus in that area. And even if you're not based in Birmingham, with that amount of money, I would definitely be talking. If you're London, I would say commuters area to London, that you can still get property at a lower price point. And that would be the starting point, because the idea is for you to build out of core areas, and then you increase and build a portfolio, and that allows you to move closer to the city or to the city center south. In this example, we're talking on Birmingham and its surroundings.